Deaths caused by speeding does not always mean crossing the speed limit. Most of us drive every day, not even thinking how dangerous it can be. We are so used to driving these days that we often forget about scary facts that come with it. Most people are speeding, drunk driving, and involving in other dangers of driving, and all we need is a little bit of wake-up call. Driving our cars remains the single most dangerous activity we perform during the day. Driving or even riding as a passenger becomes incredibly routine to us. Let's talk about chances of being involved in an injury accident. This can be scary stuff, but 2 out of 3 motorists will be involved in an accident with injuries in their lifetime. They're likely to be involved in an accident in every 10 years, and there is 1 in 20 chance that the crash will leave you in serious and permanent injuries. Even if you are the best driver in the world, you can't control other people's driving. Do you know that many licensed drivers would fail the written driving test? 40% of the drivers would fail the written test if they were given today. Some of us often forget basic rules and regulations. We need to refresh our knowledge from time to time. Millions of permanent injuries happen per year. Crazy stats show that 5,000 people are injured every day in the United States. All of these injuries are caused by car accidents, and injuries are permanent that they will never recover from. Millions of people are injured this way every year. Let's see who are the most dangerous drivers. New drivers are actually the most dangerous ones. The ones who are responsible for high rate of accidents are the teens. First year of having a driver's license is the most dangerous period. This doesn't mean that all accidents are caused by teens or that they will not be allowed to drive. This goes for every person who gets their driver's license, no matter the age. Pedestrian accidents are actually rising. For the last 10 years, pedestrian accidents went up for 30%. Quieter vehicles and increased distracted driving caused this percentage to go up. Nowadays, drivers are also sharing the road with people crossing busy intersections, cyclists, and joggers. The pedestrians have about 90% chance to survive the crash about 20 miles per hour. But if the speed is more than that, the pedestrians have only 50% chance to survive. Even the slow-moving vehicles can cause permanent injuries. For you to know, backing up is more dangerous than moving forward. About 250 people die every year due to vehicle going backwards. 30% of the victims are kids under 5 years because they are small and hard to spot in your mirrors. If you are driving backwards, make sure you are going slow and always check your mirrors. Newest cars actually have backup cams to avoid this happening, but not every car has that, so be careful. Which are the places where accidents are more likely to occur? Most crashes are where the most driving takes place, at someone's home. The fact is, the most accidents happen within 20 miles of home. Work zones are also dangerous areas, but let's take a closer look. Most of the US population lives in urban areas, yet half of the accidents happen in rural places where only 20% of the population lives. Even the motorcycle crashes are most likely to happen in rural areas. Most accidents are caused by speeding. Majority of traffic accidents are caused by speeding, but does it always mean crossing the speed limit? Sometimes you can be driving too fast without crossing the limit. Drivers need to be careful and be prepared for different conditions on the road. Bad weather can reduce the speed, and ice and snow are the main reason for that. There are other reasons to go below the speed limit, such as wet roads, wet leaves on the roads, blind curves, increase in pedestrians, and so on. Not based on how fast legally you can drive, you need to determine when to slow down or even stop the car. It takes 10 times more to stop the vehicle in snow or ice. If you can prolong your driving in bad conditions, then stay home a little longer and avoid potential crash injuries. Let's see the new statistics. New statistics show that despite everything, driving has never been safer. Vehicles are getting better designs and becoming safer. Our roads are improving, and one interesting fact is that people are beginning to drive less. In the future, we can expect hopefully less crashes and less accidents. Whatever it may be, always drive safe and look at your mirrors. Thank you for watching and check the next video.